Today, we'll combine some of the steps from the Fridrich method, which is also known as CFOP, and the Roux method to solve our puzzle cube. Hey cubers! Thanks for watching our video. Most of us are already familiar with the Fridrich method. It consists of 4 steps, and they are cross, F2L, OLL, and PLL. In the Roux method, there are also 4 steps, namely first block, second block, CMLL, and LSE. Today, we'll solve our puzzle cube by taking the first 2 steps of the Fridrich method, which is cross and F2L, and the last 2 steps of the Roux method, which is CMLL and LSE. For easy reference, let's call this method the FR mix method. The aim of this FR mix method is to solve the puzzle cube more intuitively rather than having to memorize many algorithms. There are only 8 easy algorithms used for this method. Lastly, it aims to have less moves than the beginner's method. Do leave your comments at the end of this video and share your thoughts on this FR mix method. Alright, let's get started. For the first step, we'll do the cross. There is no algorithm in this step, but we can easily solve the cross intuitively. Our cross is solved. The second step is F2L. Similar to the cross, we can solve the first 2 layers of the puzzle cube intuitively. Our F2L is solved. The third step is CMLL. For our FR mix method, we will only be using 2 algorithms. The disadvantage is you may have to repeat each of these algorithms 2 to 3 times, but the plus side is there are only 2 algorithms to learn. If you want to find out more details about this step, you can watch part 2 and 3 of our Roux tutorial video series. I'll leave the links in the description below. Here's how it goes. The corners of the last layer is solved. The final step is LSE. First, we'll solve the green and blue edges using up to 3 algorithms. Then, we'll solve the remaining pieces in the end slice layer. For this, we'll use one of 3 algorithms depending on the case. We have tutorials on how to do this final step in our part 4, 5, and 6 of our Roux tutorial video series. I'll leave the links to these videos in the description below. So, here's how it goes. Our puzzle cube is solved. Hope you find this FR mix method interesting. Do leave your comments below on what you think about this method or share any suggestion to further improve this method. If you want to learn more about solving puzzle cubes and other cool stuff, do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more tutorial videos. Alright cubers, straight to the cube. See you all next time. Bye.